For this video, we're going to walk through the forgot password workflow within FusionAuth and also provide a couple different options on how you could actually implement that within your own application. So with the forgot password workflow, you typically have one or two options on how you can actually set that up within FusionAuth. One, because we are API first, you do have the ability, if you need some type of custom steps and workflows, you can use our APIs directly. However, what most customers seem to implement is to use our hosted login pages. With our hosted login pages, that gives you a plethora of options to be able to easily integrate multiple authentication and workflows with FusionAuth, including forgot password flows. So within the FusionAuth admin UI, you have the ability to manage your themes for various workflows for forgot password, as well as any other custom attributes that you want to look for unique branding and experience for your application. So if we go to customizations here, and then we click on themes, you have the ability to set up various themes. And then, for example, if we click on this theme called React theme, this gives you an example of how you can set up custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for each one of our themes, including our forgot password workflow. So let's go down to that one. So if we click on forgot password here, once again, this is a custom CSS on top of our templates. For example, you have the ability to put any type of fields that you want. If you have a need to potentially, maybe you need to verify a user's date of birth, you have the ability to put a custom field within this forgot password flow if you wish before proceeding with that. But there may be some better ways to be able to implement those type of security postures. For example, setting up MFA or a step-up authentication, which we can cover in the next video. But with that being said, let's just walk you through how simple it is to go through a forgot password workflow with FusionAuth. So we're going to go back to our Node application, and let's open that up in a private incognito browser. So simple Node.js application, we're going to go through the login workflow and start the OAuth flow. We get redirected to the authorized endpoint here. And what we're looking at right now is a FusionAuth hosted login page. Now, this is the default template, but as we mentioned previously, with the help of our theming, you have the ability to make custom fields, custom CSS, HTML. If you need additional logic via JavaScript, you have that ability to do as well. So as I mentioned, one of the beauties with having our hosted login pages is having that included forgot password flow already set up. So if we click on this link here and say we forgot what our password is, we get sent to our forgot password template. Now we can simply enter in a email address here that's already existing in our FusionAuth user store. If we click submit, we're going to receive an email. And what I will do is I will bring that email here. So this link is what your end user would see to be able to initiate the forgot password flow. So what I will do is I'm going to simply just copy this link, and then I will paste that into a new browser window here. And we have the ability to set up a new password. So I'm just setting this up as password 123. And then after, as long as I entered my credentials correctly, it should redirect me back to my Node application. And now I'm authenticated, as it's saying, hello, test user. And that is the forgot password workflow with FusionAuth. Feel free to reach out if you have any further questions. Thanks, and I hope this helps.